Hey friends, how you doing? And welcome back to another video in this channel. And in today's video, I'd like to share with you guys 3 Valentine's Day card ideas, which I believe they're perfect for the last minute gift. Unless of course you're doing more than one, then you will need to plan ahead. But they're super easy, super fast, plus they're also super creative and super colorful. So I really hope that you enjoyed the video, the content, and the ideas. And then without any further ado, let's go on to the video. The first idea is my favorite since it doesn't follow the traditional shape of a card. So for example, a rectangle and a square. So instead, I'm using a circle. I'm also cutting it out, leaving this space without being cut out since this is the part where our card is gonna fold and unfold. As for the front cover, I'm drawing a donut, so I used a light pink to draw the icing as well as the sprinkles. Using this same color, I filled it in as well as added some small dots to give it more of a detail. Finally, using pastel colors, I colored the sprinkles. As for the part of the bread of our donut, I used the light brown color to color this section in. As in the center, I also left a small space without being colored, so this is basically the whole of our donut. Once the bread was completely colored, I took a black marker and then I outlined the sprinkles, the icing, and the donut to make it look more cartoonish or give it a more cartoon look. As for the message, I added, "You are the icing on my donut." The second idea is also super easy, so for this we'll need a piece of paper and a lollipop. Using a pencil, measure your lollipop onto your paper, so from where the wrapper ends up to the head. Then remove your lollipop and using these measurements make a stick or draw a stick as if this was the lollipop stick. As for the top, draw a heart using the color that you like the most or the color that you like using the most during this holiday or Valentine's Day season. So for instance, I'm using red. As for the lettering or the message, I'm using black since I think black and red go really well together during this holiday or Valentine's Day season. So the message is, "I'm a sucker for you," and I'm also adding some small pink hearts here and there to give our card a little bit more of creativity and detail. Then I took my X-Acto knife and I made a horizontal cut exactly where our lollipop's wrapper ended. Then I took my lollipop and I placed it in this section. As you can see, the lollipop blends really well with the stick that we drew as well as with the heart, and this way you have a super creative and super pretty card to give out this Valentine's Day. For the third idea, we will be needing a piece of paper folded in half for a more traditional look. On the front cover, I'm drawing some hearts, so I'm using different colors, especially pastel colors, and I'm also trying to make the hearts big enough so my card looks super pretty, super colorful, and super filled in. The colors I used as well as the size of the hearts that I made it super easy for me to add some messages inside every single heart. So for example, I added sweetheart, hug me, text me, be mine, call me, love, sokso, hugs and kisses, or BFF, as well as other small messages or texts. This card was an inspiration to the heart candy, and inside the message is, "Happy Valentine's Day to the sweetest person I know." Alright friends, and this was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming along. I really hope that you enjoy the content, the ideas, the video overall. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following videos. And see you on a following project. Bye guys!